So today we're looking at an F450 with an intermittent windshield wiper problem here. So we've got the setting to off on the windshield wipers, and you'll see in a second that it doesn't care if it's off or not. There it goes. And I saw this is a common problem online. So there's probably an easier way to fix, but from what I've read, it's actually a computer problem instead of a relay or a switch. So it's something inside of the programmable computer, and we didn't want to have to fool with that. So I went ahead and wired our upfitter switch 3 underneath the dash, ran a cable real clean under here, down there, and then back, going across, and into our fuse panel. So in our fuse panel here, sorry about that, you can see where I've got a push tab spade that's into where the blinker motor is. It is right here. So I took that fuse out and I figured out which side is actually the positive, and it's positive 12 volts on the right side of it, and it's receiving on the left side. So you can see I've got it pushed into there. So now I can actually turn off the motor with that upfitter switch 3. So notice nothing comes on. As soon as I switch this on, you're going to see the wiper blades come back on. Whoops, wrong switch. There we go. Every time I turn it on, they're going to wipe. And I can stop the wiper blades pretty much anywhere that I want to, because I'm killing the motor. And this is not the true motor fuse, this is the fuse going to the relay for the motor. So it's pretty low amperage, safe thing to do. So just thought that might help a few of you guys that have the same problem we've been having with this truck. Has been driving us berserk. So easy way to fix it, just kill the upfitter switch, and whenever I know that it starts to rain, I can just turn that on, and then we'll have them back.